I left my home country, Cameroon, with a dream, but with no guarantee that it would work. Moving to a new country, new language, and a new life um, is never really easy. But today, I'm here in Finland, living as and working as a registered nurse, of course, with a master's degree as well in welfare technology. But to be honest, the beginning was not easy, and I'm here to share that story with you. If you've ever thought of traveling abroad or moving to another country and starting all over or chasing a better life, this story is meant for you. So, because I think moving or traveling abroad or moving countries, it's it's about changing. It changes the whole thing. It's not just about you, but it changes your entire life, and more especially if you have a family. So, I was born in Cameroon, and I was born and raised in Cameroon. Like many people who had many dreams and big dreams, of course, I wanted more opportunities, and I wanted like to get more opportunities and for growth and get a better life for myself, for my family, and everything that I would want from life. But deep down me, I knew that my environment was somehow laying me or holding me back and limiting me to the aspects that I would have wanted to go to. So I made a hard decision. This decision was, I think, one of the most difficult decisions in my life. That was to move from Cameroon, the country where I was born and where I knew everything about that place, and decided to leave. And this journey started back then in 2015 when I decided to move to Finland. So when I thought about it, imagine in your culture, um, the cold weather as well, because I moved in January. It was extremely cold. When I moved to Finland, I went to a town called Kokkola. Kokkola is in the northern part of Finland, so I moved to that part. That's where my school was actually located. So I studied in a place called Central University of Applied Sciences. And of course, change moving changes everything, like I said earlier. And the simple things become so difficult, like the food, the language, the people, the culture, the way you used to do things become extremely difficult. Or let's say the change is so remarkable, and to be honest, I think moving from abroad is not about the big dream, or rather it's not all about the big life that you see on Facebook and social media and all those things. People always put the glamorous things that they are doing, but of course it comes with a lot of struggles. For example, I talked about the language barrier, starting from zero, and also feeling lonely. I think that when I moved to Finland, I felt lonely, really really lonely, because without family and living alone was something strange and new for me. And then I had to adapt quickly, or I'll be left behind, because there was no time for for delay or something like that. So I had to push myself to kind of go further, and to learn and do everything. So like I said earlier in the video, I moved to Finland as a double degree student to also study what is called international business management, because I also had a business or rather a finance background from Cameroon. So I had to study also here in Finland to get a double degree, and I did that and graduated in University of Central University of Applied Sciences. After graduating, then and starting to get to the working life, I felt something deep in me that I wanted to do something else. I wanted to do something that is more life touching people's lives and affecting people in an individualistic manner. That is why I decided to pursue a career in healthcare, and then I started studying. I graduated as a practical nurse somewhere in December 2019, and I started working as a practical nurse then. And after working as a practical nurse for a couple of years, I felt like I still feel something in me. I still have some fire in me that I want to do something more. And then I continued studying and became a registered nurse. And after that, I still felt that fire and kept on going, and graduated in August 2025 as a master's with a master's degree in healthcare and welfare technology as my specialty. And of course, to be honest, this journey has been really difficult, but rewarding. And I have had to be patient, sacrifice, and stay disciplined in many things that I had to do to attain this goal that I have attained as of now. To be honest, people always think like there are some breakthrough moments in your life, in your journeys, that you can say, okay, this moment was the moment for my breakthrough. In my opinion, I didn't have one big breakthrough moment that I can say that I can pinpoint it as the big breakthrough moment for me. I would say that I had little wins in between, like like you know completing one course, that was a win. Doing my what's it called, my IQ test for my nationality was also a win, and all those things. And just understanding basic languages or communication in Finnish was a big win for me, because when I moved to Finland, the language felt like something I've never heard before. It wasn't like French, it was like English. It was just something on its own. I had never heard anything about it. I remember the day I landed in Finland. I went to the city center. I was looking at the train to take me to Coca-Cola. I was there. I was looking at the writings, what is written, Lahtevat, and all those things. I was so confused, and I was imagining, what am I ever going to learn this kind of language? And when I got to the train, interestingly, they were also speaking in Finnish, and luckily the conductor also spoke in English. So he helped me when I got to Kokola, because I was really tired and exhausted. So when I got to Kokola, he told me that, hey, you are now in Kokola. This is your place where you were intending to stop. So he really helped me in that. But thinking about it, so those are the challenges that comes with you know moving abroad and starting a new life. But today I work as a registered nurse here in Finland, which I'm really proud of. Of course, I'm looking to improve or to move my career further, as I have recently graduated as a master's degree holder in nursing, and looking to pursue a career in welfare technology, which is my specialty. But when I look back and every struggle, I think they're worth it, because no matter how it was, I think looking at the achievements back to now, I think that the struggles worth it. So if you're watching this video and you are just about starting and you feel stuck, or you feel that it's so difficult, you will not be able to take this journey, I'm here to tell you, or to remind you, that first you have to know that growth requires discomfort. You have to leave your comfort zone in order to grow. And secondly, I want to tell you that you will struggle, and that's okay. It's okay to struggle with a new language, a new culture, with a new food, and all those things. It's normal. You have to consistency beats what is called talent every time. So you have to be consistent in everything. Like when I was learning the Finnish language, I had to listen to radio all the time, listening to that thing consistently, and over time I grabbed the basics of the language. And of course, your environment. The last thing I'm talking about is that your environment matters. Your environment is like the key for you to succeed. And I'm not going to make this video really long, but this was just, I thought that I should talk about my journey from Cameroon to Finland, and as of now, I think that this story, I just wanted to make it as short as possible, not to make it too long. But if you think this my story inspired you in some way, shape or form, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what country you are watching from, and at what stage of your journey are you at. Are you just starting, or have you begun your journey also, or did you have a similar struggles like me, where you moved to Finland, or when you moved abroad to some other countries? Please let me know in the chat, in the comment section below. If you are just starting, just say that start, and let me know where you are starting your journey from, and where you are, where you moved from. So guys, thank you so much for staying tuned, and I will be bringing subsequent really interesting videos in the next coming days. Right, thank you, and see you in the next one. Ciao, bye, and enjoy your weekend.